everyone from grade 10th. And we are from St. Joseph School. And here our group called Bharat Shapers. We have taken a title called Atmanirbhar Bharat. And we have done a model named Chandrayana 3.
We have made an artificial rocket with the use of bottle and paper. It has two launchers made by pipe. The parts of rocket is two boosters, one exhaust and engine and nose. With a mix of air and water, it will blow and release. When we release, it will launch. Because of the criteria of Newton's third law, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So it will go up.
After a rocket is launched, it leaves Earth's surface and moves higher to higher, orbit to orbit. It leaves the Earth orbit. Then when it enters to the lunar orbit of the moon, it starts to circling around the moon for 14 days to search a better place for landing. On 23rd August 2023 is a mysterious day for India because ISRO is successful in landing the lander Vikram in the south pole of the lunar moon orbit. Now we have done a model by using carbo sheets and DC motors, and this is a lander which is called a Vikram. Because they named it as a Vikram because of the honor of Vikram Sarabhai, who is the father of Indian space program. See, now lander is landing on the moon surface. As the lander is landed on the moon surface, inside the lander, the rover, which is the six-wheeled robot, which is named as a Pragyan, it is also called as in the Sanskrit wisdom, come outside and started to search about the soils and rocks and the conditions of the moon and send information to the ISRO. Chandrayana 3 model consists 3 parts. Propulsion model, which helps to land the lander on the moon orbit, and we come to the Vikram, which is also called lander, which helps to land safely in the moon surface. And when you come to the rover, which is named as Pragyan, which helps to start research on the soil, rocks in the moon surface. It is not just a science mission. It is about the dream and the progress of India in science and technology. It inspires our young minds like us and think big and do hard work and research. By saying this, I will end my words. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
The moon has an extremely thin layer exosphere. The components of the exosphere are helium, neon, hydrogen and argon. The properties of the hydrogen are very less density. The molecules can travel long distance without collision. Due to the moon's weak gravity, it cannot hold on its gases. They can constantly being lost to space.
Hello friends, do you know what is an artificial satellite? An artificial satellite is a human-made object placed in orbit around Earth or another satellite body. And our first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1 on October 4, 1957, launched by Soviet Union. And our India's first artificial satellite was Aryabhata, launched on April 1975. And what are the uses of artificial satellite? It is used to communication, satellite TV, phones, navigation, GPS, and weather forecasting and scientific research. And what are the disadvantages of artificial satellite? It signal delays, difficult to repair and maintenance, and it is limited lifespan. And India's most recent artificial satellite is NISAR satellite. It is launched on July 30, 2025.